Installing the plasma quad onto a 4-way blow cassette. PAC SK51FT-E. Just going to guide you through the unboxing. There's our multifunctional casement. We've got a set of 4 brackets and a set of screws. Bear in mind this multifunctional casement is going to be going between the actual main unit and the actual fascia. Now I'm going to be showing this in a training environment, so bear in mind you'll be doing this into a ceiling void, so you need this extra height added on to the actual unit itself, so you may need to move the unit itself up to make it that difference. So once you've got those brackets fitted on, that's ready to start taking the actual cassette itself apart. The first thing we're obviously going to do is we're going to drop off any filters, take apart the actual fascia itself, and obviously isolate the power. The example we're showing here is with the lowering filter option, so obviously lower that first, then disconnect the power and then start taking the corner panels out, obviously as per the service manual, so I recommend having the service manual to hand. So it's a 2-person job, as you can tell. Just makes it a bit safer and easier when removing the fascia. Gently put in those screws, just enough so we can actually use those as lug points for fitting the actual multifunctional casement. And screw into place to hold it into place. So we're going to connect in that CM105 connection. If the unit's requiring a CM105 connection beforehand, so for example something like MelCloud for example, you need to disconnect that and you're going to reconnect that MelCloud actually onto the control board of the new multifunctional casement with the actual plasma quad on it. What we're showing here is connecting in the actual power connections. And the face is going back into place, screwing that back into place, and then putting the actual corner panels back into place as well. So connecting the actual corner panel wiring back into place as well, obviously training that around the actual cable clips as required, put the filter back into place, and then it's ready to test run. And that's the actual installation complete.